Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOLV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And quite the dramatic day, but I will say very nice recovery on the bulls part. I say that because at one point the price was drifting and drifting and drifting and drifting, and then the bulls found some support and bounced. And not only, that they bounced, they got back up above that green line at 0.087, which I've been talking about quite a bit for the past couple of videos, and managed to close up above it. So, that's definitely a very nice day on the bulls part to recover from there. And this is also just why I laugh at people when, charts don't work. What a coincidence, right where it happened to bounce. Right there at that pink line, the famous 200 period simple moving average. I mean, it was literally just falling and falling and falling and falling. And, coincidence, it just happened to bounce right there. Now, I'm not patting myself on the back or anything like that, but I am patting charts on the back, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of like rocket science mystery. No, anybody can learn how to do this stuff. You just got to put in the time and effort. On the flip side of things, to just kind of pat charts on the back even more, for those of you that have been watching the past videos, you know that I've been talking about that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average, as resistance. And surprise, surprise, after the price bounced and bounced and bounced and bounced, look right where it found resistance and ultimately pulled back a little bit, right up there at that purple line. Again, not patting myself on the back, and this is something that anybody can learn how to do. So case in point, going forward, key level of resistance remains the purple line there, 50 period simple moving average. Definitely have confirmation of that. And then as far as levels of support, 0.087 was broken today, but the bulls did a good job of getting back above it. So that's still that ideal level of support. But then definitely the must-hold level of support is that pink line, the 200 period simple moving average, which again did a fantastic job of holding as support, just like you would want to see it act. So still 3 days left this week. Let's see what the bulls have in store. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.